Volkswagen Tiguan turbo failure signs. Don't ignore these warning symptoms. If your VW Tiguan has started acting strangely, lack of power, weird noises, or smoky exhaust, it might be a turbo issue. The turbocharger boosts engine performance, so when it begins to fail, you'll notice the difference fast. Knowing these early warning signs can help you avoid expensive damage. Here's a quick guide to the most common symptoms of turbo failure in your Volkswagen Tiguan. Loss of power. Tiguan feels sluggish during acceleration and struggles to pick up speed, especially on highways. Engine may seem unresponsive or slower than usual even under normal driving conditions. Check engine light comes on. Turbo problems often trigger the check engine light due to sensor or boost pressure issues. A diagnostic scan tool will likely show turbo-related fault codes like P0299, underboost. Excessive exhaust smoke. Blue smoke means oil is leaking into the exhaust from a damaged turbo seal. Black smoke usually indicates fuel is not being properly burned due to turbo inefficiency. Whining or whistling sounds. A high-pitched whine or siren sound when accelerating often points to a failing turbo. These sounds may get louder over time and signal internal turbo wear or boost leaks. Oil consumption increases. A faulty turbo may leak oil internally, causing your Tiguan to burn oil faster than normal. Watch for frequent low oil warnings and increased topping off between oil changes. Poor fuel efficiency. With a weak turbo, the engine works harder, leading to reduced mileage and higher fuel use. You may notice visiting the gas pump more often with no changes in driving habits. Boost pressure drop. Acceleration may feel inconsistent due to lack of proper turbo boost pressure. A scan tool can measure the pressure loss and confirm the issue. Spotting these turbo failure symptoms early in your VW Tiguan can save you thousands in repairs. Don't ignore the signs. Get your turbo system checked by a qualified technician if you notice any of these issues. Regular oil changes and timely maintenance go a long way in protecting your turbocharger and keeping your Tiguan performing like it should.